Animal Mask Adventure, written by Young Learners Curriculum for level Pre-A1. Lily, Diane, and Paul sit at the table. They see paper and sticks. "We can make masks," says Diane. They feel happy. Lily draws a big lion face. Diane makes a brown bear mask. Paul draws a cheetah with spots. They laugh together. They color the masks. Lily uses yellow and red. Diane colors her bear brown. Paul makes black spots. Lily holds her lion mask. Diane shows her bear mask. Paul lifts his cheetah mask. They are ready to play. They walk to the forest. They see a small path. "I hear a noise," says Diane. They listen. "Roar," says Lily like a lion. They see a kitten. They play with the kitten. They go home at the end of the day.